Hello everyone and welcome to Podspeak English. My name is John.
And I'm Erica. How are you today, John?
I'm doing fantastic, Erica, because today's lesson is perfect for English learners who want to master their travel vocabulary.
Absolutely. Whether you're flying for business or vacation, this lesson will help you confidently navigate airports, planes, and travel-related situations.
And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join the Podspeak English community. We have new lessons every week to help you on your English journey.
All right, let's start with some must-know words for the airport. John, what's our first word?
It's final call. This is the last announcement before the plane's doors close. If you hear it, you need to hurry to the gate. Let's say it together. Final call.
Final call. Final call. For example, this is the final call for passengers on Flight 102 to New York. Please proceed to Gate A1 immediately.
That's a situation you definitely don't want to be in, right?
Exactly. Now, let's talk about on-time departure. This phrase means that the flight is leaving at its scheduled time. For example, our flight is on time, so we need to leave for the airport now.
Perfect. And here's another useful term, lost and found. This is the place where you go if you lose something in the airport. For example, I think I left my wallet at security. I'll check the lost and found.
Great. These are essential words to remember at the airport.
Let's listen to a short conversation between two travelers at the airport. Pay attention to how they use the words we just learned.
Final call for flight 8 from 78 to London.
Excuse me, is this the final call for flight 78 to London?
Yes, the gate is closing soon. You'd better hurry.
Thanks. By the way, where's the lost and found? I think I left my headphones at security.
It's near the information desk on the first floor. Good luck.
All right, Erica, let's break it down. What's the first phrase we heard?
We heard final call. Remember, if you hear this announcement, it means the plane is about to leave. Don't wait. Head straight to the gate.
Exactly. And what about lost and found?
This is where you go to recover lost items. It's always a good idea to ask airport staff for directions if you're not sure where it is.
Now, let's move on to some common travel phrases that will make your journey much smoother.
Perfect. The first one is, please have your passport ready. You'll often hear this before immigration or boarding. It's a polite way to remind passengers to prepare their documents.
Right. For example, passengers traveling internationally, please have your passport ready for inspection. What's next, Erica?
It's gate change. This phrase means that your flight's departure gate has been moved. You'll usually hear an announcement like, attention passengers, Flight 204 to Miami has been moved to Gate B7.
That's why it's so important to pay attention to announcements and airport screens.
Absolutely. And here's one more. Fasten your seatbelts. This is a command from the cabin crew during takeoff, landing, or turbulence. For example, please fasten your seatbelts and ensure your tray tables are up.
Safety first. These are all really useful phrases.
Once you're on the plane, you'll encounter a new set of vocabulary. Let's start with flight attendant call button.
This is the button above your seat that you press if you need assistance. For example, if you need water or a blanket, press the flight attendant call button.
Great. Next, we have no smoking in the cabin. This is a strict rule on all commercial flights. For example, smoking in the cabin is prohibited and may result in fines.
And let's not forget overhead bin. This is the storage space above your seat for carry-on bags. For example, please place your larger items in the overhead bin and keep smaller items under the seat in front of you. Always check with your airline for specific size restrictions.
Perfect. And these phrases will help you feel more comfortable during the flight.
Now let's add some fun and colorful idiomatic expressions about travel.
Sure. The first one is miss the plane. This doesn't just mean missing a flight, it can also mean missing an opportunity. For example, I missed the plane by not applying for that job on time.
Great one. Another is up in the air. This means something is undecided. For example, our vacation plans are still up in the air because we're waiting for approval from work.
And here's a positive one, smooth flying. It means things are going easily and without problems. For example, the meeting went smoothly. It was smooth flying all the way.
These idioms make your English sound much more natural and expressive.
Now it's time for Fluency Builder. Let's practice some sentences. Repeat after us. This is the final call for Flight 102.
This is the final call for Flight 102.
This is the final call for Flight 102. Great, now another one. Please have your passport ready.
Please have your passport ready.
Repeat, please have your passport ready. Great, now another one. Smoking is not allowed in the cabin.
Smoking is not allowed in the cabin.
Repeat, smoking is not allowed in the cabin. Great.
Let's try some idioms. Repeat after me. Our plans are still up in the air.
Our plans are still up in the air.
Repeat, our plans are still up in the air. Great, let's do another one. I landed on my feet after missing the first bus.
I landed on my feet after missing the first bus.
Repeat after me. I landed on my feet after missing the first bus. Perfect, let's try another one. Everything is going smoothly today, it's smooth flying.
Everything is going smoothly today. It's smooth flying.
Repeat after me. Everything is going smoothly today, it's smooth flying.
Excellent. Keep practicing these to build your confidence.
All right, let's quickly review the keywords and phrases from today.
We covered check-in counter, boarding pass, final call, baggage claim, turbulence, and gate change.
And don't forget the idioms: up in the air, land on your feet, and smooth flying.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Podspeak English for more useful English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite travel destination? We'd love to hear your stories.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Podspeak English. Bye.
This is John signing off. Bye, have a nice day. See you in the next podcast.